Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Abhyuday Dwivedi and I welcome you back. Today we are going to speak about another important and often overlooked aspect of public speaking, that is, whenever we are addressing our audience, we need to be mindful about the various demographics among the members. In simple words, some people may be old aged, some people may be middle aged, some may be ladies, some gents, perhaps some children. So we have to be mindful about each and every member of our audience and their demography. Why is this relevant? Because often a time, while going with the flow during our speech, we may end up saying something which might be taken very lightly by one category but may not be taken well by any other group of people. So, what we have to do is to take care that the sentiment of each and every member of our audience is very much important, and we must have some sort of restraint so that even when we are speaking lightly or in a lighter vein, we do not end up hurting any segment within our audience. If we are more or less mindful about this, then each and every member of the audience will leave with a good feeling about our speech. And moreover, if there is something for each and every group, then they will feel more connected and relate better to what we are saying. Thank you.